Ajmair passage number 2, official passage, 90 words per minute speed. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The government may appoint a deputy or deputies to assist the administrator general, and any deputy so appointed shall subject to the control of the government, and the journal or special order of the administrator general be competent to discharge any of the duties and to exercise any of the power of the administrator general, and when discharging such a duties or exercising such a power shall have the same privilege and be subject to same liabilities as the administrator general. Full stop. The administrator general shall be a corporation sold by the name of the administrator general. As such a administrator general, shall have perpetual succession, and any official sale and may swill and be swilled to his corporate name. Full stop. If any person not being an examined person has died living within the province, assessed excluding the value of 100,000 rupees, and if no person to whom any court would have a judicial to commit administration of such a asset has, within 1 month after his death applied in the province the probate of his will, or for letters of administration of his estate, the administrator general shall, subject to any rule made by the government, within a reasonable time after he has had notice of the death of such a person, and of his having left such a assist, taking such a excludings as may be necessary to obtain from the High Court letter of administration of the estate of such a person. Whenever any person has died leaving assets within the local limit of the ordinary original civil jurisdictions of the High Court, the court not on being satisfied that danger is to be apprehended of misappropriation, deterioration, or a waste of such assets, unless letter of administrator of state of such a person granted may, upon the application of the administrator general or of any person interested in such a asset or in the due administration thereof, make an order, upon such a term as to indemnify in the administrator general against the cost and other expenses as the cost think fit, directing the administrator general to apply for letters of administration of the state of such a person, provided that, in the case of application being made under this section for letter of administration of state of any explanated person, the court may be refused the against grant letter of administration if it is satisfied that such a grant is unnecessary for the protection of the state, and in such a case the court shall make such an order as to the cost of the application as it thinks fit. Full stop. If, in the course of proceedings to obtain letter of administration order to province of the section 9, section 10, or section 11, no person appears the establishes his claim to probate of a will, to a grant of letter of administration as next of kin of the decrees within such a period as to the court seems reasonable, or if a person who has established his claim to a grant of letter of administration as next of kin of decrees fails to give us such a security as may be required of him by law, the court may grant letter of administration to the administrator general. 519 words. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.